Excuse me. So I have my background is crepe paper, good vibes, called All Good. And I'm going to use cardstock from my stash to put in the center. And as you can see, I cut out the center. I'm going to use this green, I don't remember the name of it, but it's a Distress Oxide. Sorry. So I really like this bird pattern on the back, but it was just too busy for me. And of course, there's Patton laying next to my layout again. He's my little cuddler. And then that pink layer right there, that is Jen Hadfield, Cottage Living Ombre Waves from my stash. Oh my goodness, Coco, really? I need to give her a bath. She's got everything, we got pollen out there, so she's super itchy. So that gray pattern, polka dot pattern, is from Dear Lizzie Documentary, Dreamer from my stash. And then that washi tape, now I'm not sure because I did get some washi tape like that from Freckle Fawn, and I also got one from the Hip Kit. I think it came in the Project Life kit, I think. So I'm going to use, those are tags. Sorry, excuse me. Those are tags from the cut apart. That was, wow. That was, Dear Lizzie, Lovely Day. Oh, yeah. So, this is my niece at her softball game. And I took this from my sister's Facebook. And she has on there Natalie's Game Face, so that's why I titled it was Game Face. And so the Game Face, the title, the letter stickers that I use for my title is from Freckle Fawn. And then that Wild and Free is Freckle Fawn, and that camera as well. So I guess everything is Freckle Fawn because I use those frames, which are from the kit, but the camera and the Wild and Free and Game Face are all from Freckle Fawn. Uh-oh. So that happy heart is from, and those frames are probably too, now that I think about it, they are from past hip kits, not this hip kit. Because that happy heart is from, I want to say, Maggie Holmes' Open Book. And here's where I put my title. And then with that, that pretty much will complete this layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.